Austin here speaking. So here is another withdrawal from a permanently limited PayPal account. Okay, this account has over 457 euro on it. As you can see, I tried to withdraw and it was denied here. Okay, because the account was permanently limited. Can you see your account access is limited? Blah blah blah. So if you check here, you see they said you can no longer use PayPal until after 180 days and stuff. So after working on the accounts here, I was able to pull out the funds for this guy here. This guy messaged me all the way from Philippines. Okay, he's a Philippine guy, and I was able to pull out his funds here. So this was when I messaged him on WhatsApp. Um, can you see this was when I tested him and I told him his funds has been withdrawn from his permanently limited PayPal account. Can you see this is what he has to say? Because he has been trying to pull out his funds for a while and he was unable to do so, but I was able to help him withdraw the funds. Okay, so if you have funds in your own limited PayPal account just like this, and you are finding it difficult to withdraw your funds, send me a DM today. Let me help you withdraw your funds before PayPal will further limit your account or even clears your balance. All right, this is just one out of numerous PayPal accounts that I've been able to withdraw for people. Okay, so I can show you a lot of different PayPal accounts I've worked on for people. So if you have funds in your limited PayPal account just like this, don't hesitate to message me today so that you can get your own funds withdrawn immediately without wasting time. All right, see you in the inside. All right, Justin here speaking, and here comes another withdrawal from a permanently limited PayPal account. Okay, so let me show you real quick. This was when this guy messaged me that he has $500 in his limited PayPal account. Then he dropped me the login details. Then I logged in here and I was able to pull out the funds here, as you can see. So can you see? He has tried different times to withdraw the funds, but just not going through. So I was able to log in and pull out the funds for him. So if you have funds in your limited PayPal account just like this, send me a DM today. Let me help you pull out your funds easily. So when I withdraw the funds for him, can you see? So if you have funds in your limited PayPal account, do well to reach out to me so I can help you pull out your funds without wasting time. This is just one out of the numerous PayPal accounts I have been able to withdraw for people. And if you want me to help you withdraw your own funds, you can message me on WhatsApp right now or click anywhere around this video and gain instant access to my WhatsApp DM. See you in the inside. Alright, Austin speaking. This is another withdrawal from a permanently limited PayPal account. So this account has as you can see, if you see clearly, you see that this account has been limited permanently. Are you saying PayPal is saying you can't use this account anymore? So after logging into the account has about I think 300 euros on the account, and I just withdrew the funds now. Can you see 300 euro, 345 euros was on this account? So I just withdrew the funds here. Can you see? So if you have funds in your permanently limited PayPal account just like this one, don't hesitate to message me today so I can help you pull out your funds before PayPal further limit your account. Alright? So that is that. This is just one out of the numerous PayPal accounts that have helped people to withdraw from their permanently limited PayPal account. So if you also have funds in your permanently limited PayPal account, send me a DM today. Let me help you pull out your funds before it's too late for you. See you in the inside. Alright, Austin here speaking. So this is another withdrawal from a permanently limited PayPal account. As you can see, this guy messaged me that he has over $2,600 worth of PayPal funds in his limited PayPal account and he was unable to withdraw the funds. So he has tried different methods to withdraw, but still cannot withdraw. So as you can see, I was able to withdraw the funds for him here after I worked on this account. Okay, so as you can see, I was able to withdraw $2,600 here. Okay, so that is that. Let me show you. Give me a minute. So this is the account here. As you can see, $600, $2,600 here. Okay, so alright, so this is what he has to say after I was able to pull out his funds. Listen to this voice note and see.
You the best. I swear, I rate you that. My G, I said. No worry now. I will bring better work for you. You my short G, my short G. I'm a good news, sir.
And this is what he has to say again. So can you see? So if you have funds in your permanently limited PayPal account, don't hesitate to message me today so that I can help you pull out your funds instantly without wasting time. So this is another withdrawal from a permanently limited PayPal account. This guy has $172 in his limited PayPal account. Okay, so here is when I was able to withdraw the funds. As you can see, $172, as you can see. So if you have funds like this in your limited PayPal account, I'm the best man that you should meet so that I can help you withdraw your funds before PayPal will further limit your account or even clears your balance. Let me show you some of the accounts I've worked for people in the past. Okay, these are just few. Let me show you other ones. So this is another withdrawal. This guy has $200 worth of PayPal funds, and I was able to help him withdraw here immediately after I logged into this account. So can you see? And that withdraw from a permanently limited PayPal account. You see? So from here you can see how he was very surprised. He said this sounds like magic to him because he has been trying to withdraw himself, but he was unable to do that. So if you have a permanently limited PayPal account that have funds in it, don't hesitate to message me. You see my number on the screen. Just message me on WhatsApp, and I will help you pull out or withdraw your funds. Okay. Let me show you other accounts that I've worked for people. This is another one, permanently limited 500. This is another one 1,000 worth of PayPal fund that I was able to withdraw for this guy here. Okay, let me show you another one 1,000 limited and withdrawn, and that one 1,200 limited PayPal account that has been withdrawn successfully. Okay, this is another one 500 limit from a limited PayPal account withdrawn. Okay, 500. Are you seeing it? 500 USD withdrawn from a permanently limited PayPal account. Are you seeing them? And that one $1,278 worth of PayPal funds withdrawn from this permanently limited PayPal account. Are you seeing? Let me play this video for you to see. Okay, are you seeing 1,200? Are you seeing from a limited PayPal account? And that one 1,200. Okay, that's it. And that one £700 from a limited PayPal account withdrawn successfully. Okay, are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Withdraw from a permanently limited PayPal account. Are you seeing it? So if you have funds in your limited PayPal account and you are finding it difficult to withdraw, don't hesitate to message me right now. Okay, you will see my phone number on the screen or anywhere around this video. Send me a message on WhatsApp today so that I can help you pull out your funds. This is my phone number here. Okay, so message me on WhatsApp or give me a call so that I can help you pull out your funds immediately before PayPal will clear your balance or even limit your account further. See you in the inside. If you have any question, you can message me on WhatsApp as well. Bye.